The all-parties Hurriyat Conference has accused India of plotting another false flag operation in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir to malign Pakistan. The APHC has urged the international community to take notice of Indian tactics and hold it accountable for its human rights abuses in the region. The APHC has long accused India of using false flag operation just to justify its repression in IIOJK and to shift attention from the Kashmir issue. The international community has expressed concerns over India's action in IIOJK, and the APHC's allegations have further added to the growing scrutiny of India's human rights records. The Wire, a reputable news organization, has drawn parallels between the RSS and the Taliban, stating that both organizations are two sides of the same coin. This comparison highlights the alleged similarities between the two groups' ideologies and tactics. The RSS, a Hindu nationalist organization, has been accused of promoting extremist views, while the Taliban is known for its strict interpretation of Islamic law. This comparison has sparked controversy and debate, with many questioning the validity of the comparison. India has continued its campaign of seizing properties in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir under fabricated charges. The Indian agencies, they have been accused of using the drug trade as a pretext to grab assets, further exacerbating the human rights crisis in the region. The property seizures are part of a broader crackdown on Kashmiri's businesses and individuals, aimed at suppressing dissent and opposition to Indian rule. The international community has expressed concerns over the human rights situation in IIOJK, calling for an end to the violence and repression. Pakistan has been elected to the United Nations Human Rights Council, pledging to spotlight human rights abuses in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan's foreign minister has stated that the country will use its platform to raise awareness about the Kashmir issue and promote human rights. This election is seen as a significant diplomatic win for Pakistan, enabling the country to bring international attention to the plight of Kashmiris. Pakistan has long accused India of human rights abuses in IIOJK, and the UNHRC platform will provide an opportunity to highlight these issues more. A recent event in Seoul highlighted the need for urgent global action on the Kashmir issue. The event called for international attention to the human rights crisis in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir and emphasized the need for a peaceful resolution to the long-standing dispute. The speakers at the event, they condemned India's action in IIOJK, including the revocation of Article 370, which has further restricted the rights of Kashmiris. This event underscored the need for sustained international pressure on India to resolve the Kashmir issue.